From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm student meteorologist Daniel Burnt.
And I'm student meteorologist Chelsea Hoffman with your short-term forecast issued on November 6, 2013. Well, we're in a bit of a mild stretch temperature-wise, but there is a cool down in sight.
That's right, the roller coaster trend of temperatures will continue as this warm to cool battle will continue and the cool temperatures will move in for the weekend. Just how cold will it get? We'll tell you all that and more in the short-term forecast.
And starting off with today's daily climatology, yesterday we had a perfectly seasonable day, hitting the normal high of 57 spot on. This morning, not so much. We had a fairly mild night with a low of 48 compared to the normal low of 36. And for today's records, our record high of 77 was set back in 1978, and our record low of 19 was set back in 1991.
Taking a look at the sky cam over Millersville University, we do see some blue skies starting off. However, we are going to see some clouds rolling in as we do have some southwesterly flow and some elevated moisture. But for the most part today, we should see partly sunny skies and mostly sun and mild conditions.
And taking a look at the current temperatures across the Mid-Atlantic, you can see fairly mild temperatures across the board. Here for the Susquehanna Valley, as those temperatures climb, we should see a high today that is also higher than normal.
And looking at the forecast models here for the next day or so, for today, we do have this area of high pressure off the coast. That'll be making its way east and bringing with it the clear skies and mild conditions. However, we are going to see some warm conditions remain as we do have this stretch of southwesterly flow moving up ahead of the front. This will be advancing to our east and clouds will be on the increase overnight.
And moving into tonight, as that cold front advances to the east, it hasn't quite hit the region yet, so we'll still see that southwesterly flow, giving us a fairly mild night with some partly cloudy skies from those skies lingering from the day today.
And for your Thursday, we see that cold front has finally made it into the region with that precipitation also moving into the area. We will see those showers developing during the morning with some periods of heavier rain possibly. Those showers will clear out though by the afternoon hours and take the clouds with it, as we will see the sun popping out for the afternoon and temperatures still remaining fairly mild with a high temperature in the low 60s.
And now for your Weather Information Center forecast. We'll have an above seasonable day today with a mix of clouds and sun and a high of 62. Tonight we'll have partly cloudy skies and mild temperatures with a low of 50. And tomorrow we'll have some morning showers giving way to afternoon sun with a high of 60.
Well, that's it for today's short-term forecast. Quick recap, we have some mild conditions funneling back into the region today. However, we do have some change on the way for tomorrow.
As a cold front makes its way through tomorrow, it'll give us some morning showers and also some cooler temperatures for the weekend. For more information on that, please check back for the next edition coming this evening with Rosa and Curtis.